Is steel structure the future, or does reinforced cement concrete, commonly known as RCC, still hold the throne in the realm of construction? This question has been a hot topic in the community of civil engineers, architects, and builders. For many years, professionals have been engaged in a lively discussion about the potential of these two materials. They argue about the impact, sustainability, and viability of each construction method. Our mission today is to delve deep into this debate, to explore the strengths and weaknesses of steel and RCC. We aim to provide a comprehensive comparison that can guide you in selecting the most suitable method for your specific project, whether it be a skyscraper or a single-family home. Today, we're here to dissect the pros and cons of each method and perhaps help you decide which one suits your needs the best. Let's start with steel structure. It's no secret that in the realm of architectural design, steel structures hold a special place, particularly when it comes to the construction of skyscrapers, industrial buildings, and even some residential homes. The reasons are many and varied. Steel as a material has inherent properties that render it highly durable. This means it can withstand harsh environmental conditions like high winds and heavy snow, as natural disasters such as earthquakes, far better than most materials. Another factor to consider is its adaptability. Steel can be molded into any shape or design, making it highly flexible and versatile for a wide range of architectural needs. Furthermore, steel structures are known for their impressive longevity, with minimal maintenance required, making them an attractive choice for long-term investments. A key advantage of steel structures is the speed of construction. Unlike traditional construction materials like brick and concrete, steel structures can be erected quickly, thus significantly reducing the time and cost of construction. This is a crucial factor, particularly in urban areas. Time is of the essence. However, it's not all just positives with steel structures. They have their share of disadvantages too. For starters, steel as a material is costly. Not only does the procurement of steel itself require substantial investment, but the labor cost involved in steel construction tends to be high. This can oftentimes be a deterrent for potential investors. Another significant downside is the susceptibility steel to corrosion. This is particularly problematic in coastal areas where the salty sea air can accelerate the corrosion process, leading to structural weaknesses over time. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Steel structures have their share of disadvantages, the most notable one being the cost. Steel is expensive, and not just the material itself, but the labor cost associated with it is also high. Additionally, steel structures are prone to corrosion, especially in coastal areas. Now let's shift our focus to reinforced cement concrete, also popularly known as RCC structures. These have been the unyielding backbone of construction for many decades now, revolutionizing the way we build homes, commercial buildings, and industrial plants. The primary advantage of RCC structures attracting countless construction projects is their incomparable affordability. The materials used in the makeup of RCC construction, such as cement, sand, and aggregate, are not just easily accessible but also extremely economical, making RCC an ideal choice for a wide range of construction projects from small to large scale. Another significant advantage of RCC structures is their resistance to fire. This is an essential attribute for any construction material, ensuring the safety and longevity of the structure. Steel structures, although have many advantages, somewhat lack this crucial trait, making RCC a preferred choice when it comes to fire safety. Adding another feather in its cap, RCC structures boast of an immense versatility. This is something that is highly lauded in the construction sector. The flexibility of RCC is such that it can be molded into literally any shape, giving architects and engineers the liberty to let their creativity run wild and experiment with a myriad of designs. But like any other thing in the world, RCC structures too come with their own set of drawbacks. One of the most notable disadvantages is that they take a significantly longer time to construct compared to their steel counterparts. Curing period that is needed after pouring the concrete into the structure further adds to the overall construction time, extending the completion timeline. However, RCC structures too have their cons. They take a longer time to construct compared to steel structures. The curing period after pouring the concrete adds to the construction time. To sum it all up, both steel and RCC structures have their strengths and weaknesses. Each has unique characteristics making them suitable for certain applications, but not for others. Steel structures are admired for their durability. They can withstand significant weights and pressures without failing. This reliability, however, comes at a cost. Steel structures are costly to fabricate and install, but their swift construction can this. However, one major downside is their susceptibility to corrosion, which can compromise their structural integrity over time. On the other hand, we have RCC structures. These structures are characterized by their affordability. They are less expensive than steel structures and thus more accessible to a larger number of people. Also, the versatility of RCC structures is noteworthy. They can be molded into various shapes and to meet diverse architectural needs. However, these benefits come with a trade-off. RCC structures require a longer time to construct compared to their steel counterparts. When it comes to choosing between the two, it's crucial to consider your unique requirements. For a civil engineer, the decision may depend on the project's budget and timeline. For a homeowner, aesthetic considerations may also come into play. Understanding the pros and cons of can help navigate this complex decision-making process. Remember, there's no universal solution in construction. Every project is unique and requires an individual approach. The decision between a steel structure and an RCC structure isn't about choosing the best material, but finding the most suitable one for your needs. Balancing quality, cost, and time is essential. And that, folks, is the heart of the debate between steel structure and RCC structure.